in the Theravada Buddhist tradition, in the Satipatthana Sutta, it says in the refrain 17 times throughout the sutta, mindfulness of inside, mindfulness of outside, and mindfulness of inside and outside. And so from the very beginning of life, we're in this situation of presenting and understanding ourselves and what we need, understanding the other and their presentation, and then relating to the interaction between the two. We need to be able to do that fast and in real time. And so what you'll notice in the tracking of mentalizing is there's a scale from 1 to 9 that we use to evaluate mentalizing. Secure kids mentalize at 6 or higher. People who grow up to be dismissing in the 4 to 5 range. People who are organized, preoccupied in the 3 to 4 range, and disorganized people below 3 typically. What you have to mentalize is this 4 aspects. One is that you understand the meaning that you've given to the experience of the present moment. So you take in these sensory moments, mind moments, let's say. They're processed for urgency. Does it need immediate attention? Does it not matter whether we get to it? Is there time for a pleasant experience? We call the Pali word for that is Vedana. And then it's compared, those sense moments are compared to the perceptual database to see if there's an entry in the previously experienced things that we can assign to the present moment. It's important to understand that we don't really operate on what's happening. We operate on what's happening means to us, if that makes sense. So we really operate in a world of meaning rather than a world of what's happening. And so the way that you perceive things and the way that you assign meaning really is what's informing you what you think is happening. Does that make sense? We don't operate in the world of what's happening. You cannot reliably say what is happening. You can only reliably say what is happening means to you.